there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Lucky. Welcome to today's class. So basically today we're looking at exam questions on polygons. Okay, so in our online class we were learning about polygons. Now we want to revise on some of the exam questions which you might expect in your exams. Okay, so our first question there says the size of each interior angle of a polygon is 180 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So how many sides does the polygon have? So in this particular case, we're going to find the interior angle. And for us to find the interior angle, we subtract 180 from 108. Okay, so we know that this is going to give us 72. So our formula for us to find the interior angle is 360 over n. Okay, so our n simply means the number of sides in this particular case. So we're going to multiply. Okay, so we having known that our exterior angle is 72, we're going to substitute 72 is equals to 360 over n. So we're going to cross multiply here. Okay, this is why I've put the multiplication sign. Okay, then we're going to when we multiply this, we're going to have 72n, then 360 multiplied by 1 is 360. Okay, then from there, for us to find n, we're going to divide both sides by 72. Okay, so when we divide both sides by 72, this will remain just as n over, so our final answer, when we divide 360 by 72, we get 5 sides. Okay, so the easiest way for you to divide is to divide 2 into this one and 2 into this one. Okay, and then from there you can simplify since you don't need to use a calculator. Okay, so question 2 says the diagram below shows a regular polygon with an exterior angle marked E. Find the size of E. Okay, find the size of E. So in this particular case, we are told to find the exterior angle. So having known that when we add the interior angle and the exterior angle, it's supposed to give us 180 since this is the straight line. Okay, so the exterior angle is equals to 360 over n. So we have how many sides in this polygon? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 6 sides in this polygon. So we're going to divide, for us to find the exterior angle, we're going to divide 360 by 6, since this polygon has 6 sides. Okay, so when we divide, it's going to give us 60 as our exterior angle. Okay, then we have our question, these kinds of question in section A, paper 1. Below we have A, B, C, D in a straight line, and the angle angle BAC is 50 degrees and angle BC is equal and AB is equals to AC. Okay, so we're told to find the angle ACD. So we are told to find angle ACD. So this is the angle. Okay, so for us to find this angle, okay, we are going to say being given in our question, we know that a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So we're going to subtract 180 minus the 50 degrees which have been given, which is this angle here. Okay, we get 30. Okay, 130. So 130 divided by 2, we get 65. Okay, so this is the angle which is here. This is the 65. Okay, so it's 65. So now we know that the interior angle and the exterior angle, they add up to 180. So we're going to subtract 180 minus 65 to get 115 for us to find this angle which is here. So the answer here is 115. So this is how you are supposed to answer this particular question. Okay, so now another question. In the diagram below shows AB and CD are straight lines meeting at E. Angle AED is 68 and angle BDE is 35. Okay, find the size of angle A. So angle ABD. Okay, so they want us to find this angle here. Okay, and we know that when we have a triangle, it adds up to 108. So in this particular case, we're going to find the angle which is outside. Okay, so the angle which is outside in this particular case. Okay, so for us to find angle BA BEB, angle AEB, we need the angles of a straight line, as I said, add up to 108. Okay, so angle AEB is equals to 180 minus angle AEB, which is 180 minus 68. So when we subtract minus 68, we are getting 112. Okay, so this is the 112. So 180, okay, open bracket, minus 100, minus, open the bracket, 112 plus the 33 which we are given. So when we add 112 plus 33, we get 145. Then when we subtract 180 minus 145, we're getting 35 as the angle which is this particular angle here. So as our answer. Okay, then we have another question. The triangle of it the angle of a triangle ABC are shown in the diagram below. Calculate the value of x. So how are we going to calculate for the value of x? Okay, so in this particular case, we are just going to add up everything. Okay, so when we add up x plus x plus 10 degrees plus x plus 68 is equals to 180, since a triangle adds up to 180. So we're going to work out this. When we add the 3x's, we get 3x. Then when we add 10 plus 65, we get 75. From there, we're going to collect the right terms. So 3x is equals to 180 minus 75. Okay, then 3x is equals, when we subtract 180 minus 75, we get 105. So we divide both sides by 3 for us to find for the value of x, and x in this particular case is just going to be 35. Sorry, it's not showing, so the answer there is just 35. Okay, so the diagram below, km is equals to uh, ml, and angle mkly is equals to 3x minus uh, 65 degrees, and angle AMY is equals to uh, 2x minus 20 degrees. So in this particular case, so we know that angle MKY is equals to angle MLK. Okay, so we're going to equate the two uh, these two uh, variables or terms we have been given for us to find the value for the value of x. So from here we correct the like terms, so the 3 will cross the 2y, the 2x will cross the equal sign, it becomes positive, so it's going to be 3x minus 20. Then this 65 crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive, so we're going to have when we subtract 3x minus 2x, we get x. Then when we add 20 plus 65, we get um, so when we subtract negative 20 plus 65, we get 45 as our answer. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to answer this particular question. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This has been your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki Stebest.